So I've got the switch installed in my bathroom and it works okay. The build quality is not great. This is kind of light, flimsy plastic. Imagine if you had kids whacking this all the time, it might break down over time, but that's not really my complaint. I do have some complaints. And right there, you saw the first one. The light switch is on and I just hit the off button and it didn't go. Sometimes you really have to hit it or hold it down. And it seems like it's either a contact issue or an RF issue, and I'm not sure which, but that's a bit annoying because, you know, sometimes it works just fine, but sometimes like that, you really have to press and hold it, which is annoying. When you're going out of a room, you really just expect to be able to whack the switch and it do what it intends to do. The next complaint is if the master switch is on like it is, you can control the light. If you turn it off, cool. If you turn it back on, the light is off. You're gonna have to do it here again. Maybe that's understandable for most people, but it's a little bit annoying because the master switch is still gonna get flipped from time to time. And then in that case, you're gonna have to hit 2 buttons to turn it on. And that goes to the final point. If you were wondering, like me before getting this device, if it was like any other standard smart home device where if the master switch is off, it has no control, that is exactly correct. If this guy goes off, there's nothing that this is going to do to affect those lights.
So this was a pull chain, much like this pull chain. And we just installed this. No more pull chain, right? We're gonna hit off. And whoa, it's off. Okay, it's light because there. But, and then on, off, wait, off, on, off.
With this light switch, you can take it off too.
Got 2 sons.
Awesome.